Hello friend, you are welcome to solve this nice algebra problem. So what is the value of x in this problem? The question is 20 to the power of x plus 20 to the power of x plus 20 to the power of x divided by 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x is equal to 100. Dear student, please try yourself, and if you cannot solve then don't worry. In this video I can solve this question step by step. So stay with me till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start to solve this problem. Firstly, when we factorize it, and we can write the denominator can be here is 3 times 20 to the power of x divided by, we can write similarly denominator can be as 3 times 10 to the power of x is equal to 100. Dear student, I hope you can understand my way. So let's move to another step. Dear student, here this 3 will cancel to this 3, and we can just write 20 to the power of x divided by 10 to the power of x is equal to 100. Now in the next step we can apply one rule, which is AC divided by PC whole is equal to A divided by P whole C. It means that whenever a term have power and also denominator have power, we can write it as a whole. Okay, so we apply this rule on the above step. So it can be written as 20 divided by 10 whole to the power of x is equal to 100. Now here 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, and we can write it simply 2 to the power of x is equal to 100. Now this is an exponential form, and we can apply log on both sides. So log 2 to the power of x is equal to log 100. Now in the next step I apply one rule, which is log a to the power of c is equal to c log a. Okay, we can apply this rule on the above step. So it become x into log 2 is equal to log 100. Now I divide both side by log 2. Okay, so this log 2 can be cancelled with this log 2, and here just remaining x is equal to log 100 divided by log 2. Now I am going to the next page. So x is equal to log 100 divided by log 2. We can write it as x is equal to log 100 can be written as log 4 times 25 divided by log 2. Now here we can apply one rule, which is log AB is equal to log A plus log B. We can apply this rule on this denominator. So it can become x is equal to log 4 plus log 25 divided by log 2. Now in the next step x is equal to log 4 divided by 2. I can write separately on each term plus log 25 divided by log 2. Now in the next step x is equal to log 2 to the power of 2 divided by log 2 plus log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 2. I hope you can clear, because log 4 can be written as log 2 to the power of 2. Log 25 can be written as. Now here we can move this 2 so before. So x is equal to 2 into log 2 divided by this log 2 plus 2 into log 5 divided by log 2. Now dear student, here is a trick. Log 2 can cancel with log 2, and x is equal to 2 plus 2 log 5 divided base excuse me, I can write in this in next step, I can understand you, divided by log 2. Now here, according to one rule, which is log a divided by log b is equal to log a base b, we can apply this on here. So x is equal to 2 plus 2 log for u base 2. Dear students, the final answer of this math problem. I hope you can understand my way, and if you are new in the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more this type of algebra problem. Thanks for watching my videos.